Okay, so we're back at the Palm Springs Air Museum. This time we're here for the restoration and unveiling of the F-117 Nighthawk stealth bomber. This has been years in the making for the Palm Springs Air Museum, and they're pretty excited, as am I. It's also the birthday of the museum. They're going to have a special guest today who is retired Major General Greg Feast, United States Air Force. He was the first pilot to fly the combat missions with the F-117 during Operation Desert Storm in Panama. The aircraft will bear his name and be in the colors of the U.S. Air Force's 415th Tactical Fighter Squadron, which was based at the top-secret Tonopah Test Range in Nevada. This ought to be pretty interesting. You know, I came out here about a month or so back. That's why I've got that footage going in the bottom left corner there. That's of my previous ride to the Air Museum, because I didn't take the motorcycle today. I had to bring the car because I had to pick up a birthday cake. Birthday cakes and motorcycles don't mix. So I hope you're going to enjoy what you see here today. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you see what you say in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Let me know what you think.
It wasn't only me. It was a lot of the pilots that in Saudi Arabia that flew the stealth fighter into Iraq. We didn't know if it was going to work, and it turned out Lockheed and Skunk Works knew what they were doing. We had great support from the force maintainers and support people, the logisticians, and with all of them, we couldn't have flown the missions, and we flew 1,271 missions and never got hit. So. But with that, when you see the airplane in there, it looks just like it did when it was at Tonopah. It doesn't have the engines in it. If it did, I'd ask if I could go fly it. But enjoy seeing what's in there, and I appreciate all you do for us. Thank you. And you're going to hang around until I got questions, right? All right. So what we're going to do at this point is we have birthday cake back there. This is the traditional birthday of the museum, but I see.
That is some kind of awesome. I know you can't hear me.
Once you're in Texas and the Miami area.
This is something. The actual pilot is here. I wanted to get a picture with him, but I don't think that's going to happen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like and subscribe. Until the next one, please be careful and be kind.